This year is a very exciting year for the Caravan and Motorhome Club Towcar of the Year Awards because we have a new award, and that is for alternatively fueled vehicles. This year we had 3 entries, and I'm delighted to say that the winner is the Jaguar I-Pace 400 Electric.
Very importantly though, this didn't just win the alternatively fueled category, it actually won its weight category, a bit of the best tow car to tow a caravan under 1,150 kilograms. Tell us why.
This car has amazing acceleration, absolutely awesome.
Blistering, amazing, so much fun.
It has a towing limit at the moment of 750 kilos, which isn't huge when you think that the car itself has a curb weight of over 2,000 kilos. And we can hope that in the future that towing limit will increase and we can be able to tow a wider range of caravans with alternatively fueled vehicles. But at the moment, this is a fantastic start.
What I really like is it shows that our industry, our pastime, our leisure is being considered by both the car manufacturers and our industry who make our leisure vehicles. So this is the very latest technology Jaguar, solely electric vehicle. It's incredible in every way, and they fitted a tow bar.
They put a tow bar on it?
Yeah. This combination of car and caravan, when you're judging it, is amazing. Stability where you want it. How's it manoeuvre?
Absolutely brilliantly, because that power delivery isn't just about going at high speeds, it's also terrific at very low speeds. So when you're driving at 5 miles an hour on a club site or reversing onto a pitch, you've got incredible control over that speed.
And that really does play into the technology behind it. The things that you can do with electric is you can put power at the wheels when, where and how you want them. So this will take off on the hill route without any slip, as fast as you like.
It was the best for hill starts, wasn't it?
Yeah, best for hill starts, best for acceleration. In fact, it was the only thing that I gave top marks to in some categories.
So basically, we are looking at the future of towing.